Hello students. Today's class we see one more mensuration sum and this sum frequently asked in the examination. Let us see what is the sum and how to solve the sum in a simple and easy way. A well with 10 meter inside diameter is dug 14 meter deep. Earth taken out of it is spread all round to a width of 5 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. We know how we dig the well. Usually we take mud from the land and instead of wasting that mud, we used to spread it all around the mouth of the pit. The mouth is raised. So that raised portion is called the embankment. Well is dug in the form of a cylinder under the ground. It is like this. Suppose if you want to have. The diameter of the well is given. Inner diameter of the well, that is 10 meter. So the radius is 5 meter. It is dug to a depth of 14 meter. Okay. So the mud taken is not wasted or put in the other place. It is put all around the mouth of the well, and also it is not put again inside the mouth. If it put inside the well, it will go under the earth. So without putting in the hole, it is put all around it so that the height of the well is raised. The mouth will come like this. You would have seen how the well is. Okay, this is called the embankment. We have to find the height of this embankment. Let us assume it as h. Okay, and the earth taken would have spread around it to a width of 5 meter. The width is 5 meter again given. Okay, so the well is like a cylinder. Yeah, the embankment is like a hollow cylinder. It will be like this. It will be hollow cylinder like this. It will be like this. Isn't it? So this is called the embankment. Like that it is formed. Here, whatever be the inner radius, here also 5 only. Here the width is again 5. So outer radius will become 10 meter. So let us assume the inner radius as small r, outer radius as capital R. And height of the embankment is h, capital H. This height of the mud taken, well dug is small h. Okay. So both the volumes of the mud is not wasted. Whatever mud is taken from the well is spread and forms an embankment. So volume of the mud taken is equal to the volume of the embankment. So how to find it? First find the radius. Write the radius of the well. 5 meter. Then height of the earth taken equal to 14 meter. Therefore, volume of the earth taken. This is like a cylinder. So pi r squared h. The small r as the inner radius. Now you substitute 22 by 7 into small r, 5 into 5 into 14 meter cube. You need not do any calculation. You just keep it as it is. Don't think if you don't do the calculation you will lose mark. Not like that, because you can make your calculation very simple way by equating. Okay, next we have to find out the volume of the embankment. What is volume of the embankment? Of the embankment. That is smaller is 5 meter. Width of the embankment. 5 meter. Therefore, the outer radius of the embankment equal to 5 plus 5, 10 meter. Okay. Now, here it is like a circular. Within the area of the circular ring, we have to find out. It is like a ring. We have studied how to find the area of the ring. Outer area minus inner area of the circle. Therefore, volume of the embankment equal to area into height. What is the area? Pi r square minus pi r square, that is area of the ring into height. Here you take out pi r square minus r square into h. So substitute the value. Capital R is 10 minus, here we can write it as pi r plus r into r minus r into h to make our work very easy. We know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Pi into 10 plus 5 into 10 minus 5 into h. So 22 by 7 into 15 into 5 into h. Here also I am not going to do any calculation. So already I said the mud we are taking from the well is not wasted. It is spread. Same volume of the mud is spread to form an embankment. So we can equate it as volume of the earth taken is equal to volume of the embankment. What is the volume of the mud taken? That is pi r squared h is equal to pi r square minus r square into h. Like that you write the formula. Whenever if you write the formula, for that you get some mark. So pi get cancelled. Already we have done that part. 5 into 14 equal to here 15 into 5 into h. So 15 into 5 into h equal to 5 into 5 into 14. H is equal to 5 into 5 into 14 by 15 into 5. 5 cancel, 5 3 times. Then if you simplify, no need to do 3 and keep it as it is. 14 by 3 we have. Yeah, by simplifying 4.66 meter we get. So here we have not substituted for any value for here pi. So either 3.14 or 22 by 7, no calculation, no multiplication. By simple elimination, cancelling the numbers, we made the sum very simple way. So correct one place of decimal, we can write it as 4.7 meter. Therefore, the height of the embankment equal to 4.7 meter. Some people think if you do the calculation only we get mark. Not like that. For the steps you will get mark. If you make the multiplication all, it takes time, as well as you may go wrong also in the calculation. But if you equate like this and cancel the terms, your work become very simple and you will not go wrong in the calculation. Your calculation is also made very simple. Okay, like that only you have to solve this sum. To get more videos like this, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get notification.